Well, first of all, where is your Rolex wristwatch? Because when the news busts out, say your record label give you Rolex wristwatch worth of 50 million naira.
That Rolex. See, if you are my helper, I don't get Rolex. So. If I'm my helper, I don't get Rolex. So.
But you know, say get some kind places, you know, go buy that kind of wristwatch.
Yes, Lagos. Everywhere they stay, where they stay around.
So normally when you won't go perform for where plenty crowd day, what's be those things where you know they carry joint body?
Very, very expensive ones.
Yes, we be say you go say nah. And waiting be those things where you know the carry joint body.
Number one, the Rolex. The Rolex
number one.
Then probably the hand jewelry I have.
Okay, now your male give you. Maybe you buy that one for yourself.
Yeah, no be my male give me, but somebody special.
Oh, okay.
One of the somebody special.
My brother now. This no mean that the reason go far. I don't understand this thing.
You know, they say that somebody special, you know.
My brother don't be somebody special.
You know he's somebody special. But most times when somebody they talk about something, somebody special.
When man talks,
I won't carry you now. Good. I won't carry you now. Handicap.
Okay. So those ones, you know, they carry them joint body.
Yes.
Or you just give them to your friends. Guy, I beg, let me hold this one. Let me hold this one.
It might be like that.
Okay.
But sometimes I don't even just carry it out. I just carry the normal ones that I know that, okay, if I lose, no wahala.
You know, go to paying you.
Yeah, you know, go to pay me.
Okay.
But you get some, even if I carry them and I use them perform like this, I will perform.
Okay. So, but how 2025 don't be for you so far? Because 2024 was like a movie for you. Different things that happened to you for that same 2024. Of course, we all know the one where we say people they think saying a class you they chase with this one where you faint for that concert for December. Why they even me self at first I say Mola, tell me the truth.
Well, tell
me the truth. I say Bim faints.
You know the funny part is like I've performed in different other shows now.
Before that day.
Yes,
okay.
But I performed in like different shows back to back. Why didn't I faint in the other ones? Like there's still no difference. I performed in other big events. Why did that one?
You know they chop.
That I do overstress myself. I don't feel even tell you what I experienced with my mama.
Are you serious?
My mama they send me by the only thing the advantage we say she just they send me food every day.
Oh, mothers, African mothers, God bless her.
She they send me food.
Okay.
Yes. Wali, I want to suffer me. For my jẹun. It's showing on your body. You're not eating.
Why you not eating? Like why? Why you not eating?
I do work. I do.
Time no to
I know what you they do, but we go talk about time when we come back. Because now,
which one?
All your videos. You know what
I know. I understand. It's Ramadan. Now they fast.
Hey, all of a sudden remember Ramadan. For me, I feel talk say with Beams, no bad song. No bad song. Since they don't introduce them with this particular song, it don't they drop correct bedroom back to back. You know won't even rest. Now when we say your mama don't talk to me, you don't they try shop now.
I did chop now. I did try chop.
Don't chop today.
But Tinubu the you get waiting Tinubu the. I want chop 3 square meals, but you know the
you reach your side.
You when you get 50 million naira worth of Rolex, so if you chop 3 square meal.
If they chop 7 million.
Keep our money low, I won't sell out. Lamba. No too car.
Oh yeah. So like I asked earlier on, yes, waiting. You go talk say since you enter 2025, don't they really different about you?
So I'll say 2025 different about me or the music.
You music.
Okay, yeah, me
and the music.
I think now I think there is more hunger in my side. Yeah, hunger don't increase in the sense that I feel I'm at a stage. I don't need a stage where people suppose know say I bad. So I suppose show them say
you bad.
Yes. So now the stage where I did. So even in the EP where I drop, you go I'm saying, this boy the para and hunger.
So no be the beams of last year, now he be the one of 2025. Join.
The beams of last year no be Don Pablo. Don Pablo na the beams of this year. So, yes. So concerning onto the music.
Yes.
The music side, what has been different is that this year people were faster to accept. Like this,
accept
yes,
your
as
sound.
at February.
level don't grow.
Yes, so as at February,
Yeah.
they played already start the blue. As at March or April last year, at March I dropped Making a Dance.
Yeah.
You
You see the drag feet small,
yes,
small.
you understand.
Yeah, I
They play
get you.
just went
Because people don't know you now.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I
so-
get you. I get
so
you. Okay.
That's. So those are so I like the way the year is moving already. People don't they catch up.
Okay. They don't get choice than
Nah,
to
they
catch
don't
up.
get choice.
They don't get choice than to catch up.
my body.
Appeal.
They don't get choice.
All right, so maybe come to this your EP, right now, where we say you drop. You pay me, say I no day for your listening. And Mola know why. You get
swear.
why. But
Then
you
go
pay
say-
me.
Then go say apologize on it.
I apologize deeply. I apologize.
You guys have seen.
But you talk, say you go send me. I remember, I think I've been travel at that time, and you say you go send plane to come carry me. You say you go send your private jet. Say you know what make I miss, but you don't send that private jet.
You know what?
Now why you say you promise
happened.
me?
You know what happened.
Wait till happen.
Now
Don't worry, I
finish.
go. I know if you talk about it.
All right, now maybe say your song. This they play especially now. We don't eat over 30,000 videos on TikTok, and even the trend. For the first week of release, to the extent that 7th most trendy song on Instagram. Hey, Beams, which Baba give you the soap?
Now listen. I know if you cast them, but shout out to you, Baba. Shout out to you, Baba. Thank you for this. Now I talk say 2025 started well, so because
But how that one make you feel though?
so the stuff be say even they feel like when he first because I don't drop the play. I drop the play immediately after my show. I just drop them like say okay this stuff now December bedu me and my A&R for Triple Threats.
Yeah.
We supposed drop December song anyhow. Even if label no want me because label we know say they go slow down the whole thing. We just drop them. So as we drop them, we know say na banger and we know say people go still come back to now. So February. We don't drop the song now. We don't need prepare for EP. When na time we will drop EP. People we just say for TikTok, you just start the move. And the day on 33 videos at first. I just say you don't enter 1K. It's in the shop now. It is 1K. And as it they increase every day, because it was adding like 2K videos every day. And as it they increase, I just dey pray to God. I beg me no stop. It just dey go. Yeah, me just dey go. But it's amazing.
That's
And
good.
my label supported the emotion too.
No, that your Ghana correct man.
Yes.
When you work with the right people, everything go to fall in place.
Yes,
Even
yes.
Mola too na correct person.
Yes.
Even if they show himself sometimes, Mola they show. Mola smile now. He dey frown before. All right, before we come move fully to your EP, Pimps, you're a bad boy, you.
What did I do?
The moment I don't even see that video where that girl, they do like for that your video where she they do like snake, where she they whine. I say, hey, Beams, you have turned to a bad girl, oh.
This na normal vixen and
Now, you want like give us now? Say you never get one of your vixen where they do day for your video when they never enter your eyes before.
I know
Lie.
they look them
Now lie go
unto
kill you.
Jesus.
Like lie, you're a liar. Beams, you're a bad boy. We all know that you're a bad. You want
Which vixen?
none
Let
of
me-
the
let me
vixen don't enter your eyes before.
Let me think now.
yeah,
Let me
think.
So the songs I don't shoot. Most of the time, okay, Lamba, I just different big. So I know they see faces. I just they see back. I know they see faces.
Don't go.
Na so.
No, that one for Lamba. So which other one? I'm a piano. Okay, I think there's been one. But funny, I have not dropped the video yet.
So after do the video shoot finish, now you pursue this particular person.
Which one be pursue? I know they pursue.
No be like wait till they talk.
go
No be
after
say
am?
you go after am.
We just dey talk, we dey
babe,
together.
So now they give themselves lamba now.
You know they give each other Lamba.
Even like say you like this girl, oh. Because the way you dey
if she dey watch this thing, she go start the blush. She'll free this thing.
I don't understand. I'm a girl. I want to blush. Let her blush.
No.
I don't understand.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
You always say no.
I don't use this thing.
But I just did shock because one of the interviews where you do with OC, our sister station, you mentioned about the fact say nobody don't even get they love you now. Be like saying men so don't they slide into your DM. As they see you like this, because everybody knows say you like big things. Everybody knows say you like her. So when I hear for that interview say, guys say they say what's up now, baby. Oh baby.
You know when that kind of thing, when they move to you like that, say if you go first confuse you. Because I know they on this timing, and I probably because I know they the kind of settings where I they expect them from. You know, you get some kind of parties where you go where you know you they prepared to your money.
Nothing can, everything can happen. Yeah.
Yes, anything can happen.
Yeah.
But like I did setting where I don't really expect them, and I know expect them from the person. So
now person where you know before.
Yes, now person where I envy. Now you know
one of you na faves. Oh,
but now one of you na faves.
Oh wow. So the person got to ask you now if you feel do the down person, Abi.
The person.
How much the person say go give you first? Or which kind of fame the person won't give you? Where go?
No be sliding in, no. Na session. No be sliding, na session, no. So you say na slide. No be sliding in, na session where I know, like just like our family we work. Mm-hmm. So
you be want use the person as collabo for any
yes, the person major person where I look up to for industry.
For this music industry.
So all of us we just move. So we did now. Me normal this thing. I be young boy going to the studio. I'm not the studio because it was like more of like his house. This thing just this session. And as producer come out because all of us don't smoke, we drink.
You smoke and you drink. We all know. When are they talk, so you do, you say, wait, is that? You don't use your mouth, confess your sin. Yeah.
Okay, so as that one happen, we shall come out, producer come out, so now just both of us, we just did it. We shall the gist, they talk, they tell me how I supposed to move in the industry, how the music is already good. Before I know, talk don't go beyond that one. I mean, I know can they understand because like it's like, and you know in that kind of as it happen, you go first they observe, waiting they saw for you.
Yeah.
So he was not even, he didn't reach a money this thing. I felt like how far I can't stand buying you.
You remember Bible straight?
Yeah, I can't stand buying you free. I just come out. I immediately just come out. I go where the producer did. But I know just one louder.
The producer go know now.
The producer, I don't know whether the producer.
The producer go know now. I don't sure say no go be you be the first person.
Yeah, obviously now. So the producer go know, but I know.
I dey sure we get one particular guy will be your close friend. So I take shock say when this kind of thing happen to you, you don't even tell and say, oh God, guy. You know the way we men guy. If you know what happened to me today, guy. So
don't be all those kinds of things where they talk about.
Are you serious?
Yes. You know. All these kind of things, they somehow personal to me. So anything they somehow personal to me, I keep them to myself. In as much as I look like person way day out, this thing out going, I keep a lot of personality.
So when you can't decide, say you want to make the public know about this particular incident, what happened to you?
I don't know. I don't even know how it came out that day. OC gets at the interview person. I don't know how this thing come out that day. I say, that's the first time. Even the funny part is, Mola never know. Mola no. Now that day Mola no.
Wow, big M.
Yes.
Now, so you never know about this thing.
Didn't know, so like it just so that day just.
That's crazy.
I don't know,
so you don't see that person after that section.
That's no. If I see him.
No, maybe if you know be like maybe outside for events, the person too. Yeah.
No, face to face, no.
Okay.
Again, no. I don't know how that's not.
So you just they rub your body. Tell you say this thing they enter in your eyes. No. All right. So right now, who you they talk say you they feel, you know. When I talk to you, they feel where we say okay. So we don't collabo with Zlatan, you don't collabo with Shino Peter. So apart from this person, where you be one collabo or we won't carry you on top another level, which Naija artist where you they really really feel now where we say if this person right now collabo on top any of my music, come on, it will make really really plenty sense.
Ooh. Bruno Mars. Okay, the Naija.
I say Naija. Never enter abroad.
I sharply drop.
Never enter abroad.
I sharply drop my this thing. I've been one sharply get that one, that bag secure. If I feel secure I'm from
no,
Naija.
Bruno Mars feel they listen, no.
Yes, now why I just happy drop the
Okay,
name.
so now Bruno Mars, you want to do something?
Yeah, but right now in Nigeria, everybody's doing well. But I don't think collaborations for now. You know, last year I did one at me. I'm more of like a me person. Like I like the show people say. Now me there, you understand? So like there's going to be a lot of singles.
Yo, maybe we just get to
even the people where I go feature. If I feature person where I see for street tomorrow,
because I feel like it makes sense.
Do you understand? It's not. I know the
So you want
for you now, you don't feel any Nigerian artist where be say you feel so this person is a bit. I don't want you to use better. A bit.
No.
Better.
You know better than me.
Not better, like a bit.
I'm telling you a bit. I'm telling you,
there's
even
no
a bit. Even a bit. I swear.
There's no a
even
bit.
A bit. If they see what they do for studio, they go fear self. So it's not.
There's no a bit.
Like most of them, like even no new kids right now. If you know how versatile I am, like
of course, I don't see what you see.
Yes, now I produce most of my stuff.
Yeah.
If you listen to my EP, every song there is different. Like everybody's, I don't know, you hear projects from new kids these days, like there are similar sounds, but in that project you see me doing Fuji here, you see me doing this thing. Yes, do you understand? But the sound in my voice is still the same thing, but it's me experimenting. You have few people people are afraid to experiment these days, but I'm not that kind of person.
So Don Pablo, now from inside movie, you don't watch plenty film where Pablo, Don
Funny
Pablo.
How I have not, but like I know documentaries. I actually
Well, for those who don't know, apart from music, superstarbims in no book. For people who don't know, I just want to make them know now. Now if you way, in no book.
Shall I resemble Efiko? I know resemble Efiko.
Look, they say don't stop profiling people. No judge a book by cover. No judge her by in dada and in nose ringo. In no book. Now private university you finish from Now private university I don't be first class we finish with Joseph.
I don't hear you.
Do it. You know what ladder you see. Somebody is humble. Humility.
I don't hear.
Humility is humble. So now first class student. So you just understand. You understand. They do like a bar, but not see you understand.
On the looky.
All right, somebody else is sending your messages to you here. Good morning, Naija fam. Let me do shout out to Beams. I'm a Piano Remix was my best song for 2024.
Oh, thank you so much. Big shout out to you too.
He said, Beams, that song needs more promotion. It's a banger. Please jam them again and again.
Don't worry, my label A&R they hear.
You don't hear.
They do like saying no they hear, but they hear, you know worry.
So your EP right now, how many songs is for that EP, Don Pablo?
5 songs.
So all of them, not just you, or there was a collaboration?
So I featured one of my friends,
okay.
Zen. He's a talented artist right now too.
Okay.
Very, very talented.
So why Zen?
So this song I posted it. The title of the song is Demons. I've been on post them for Instagram. I actually posted it immediately after when I collapsed on stage.
You want drink water?
No worry, not afraid. I'm not go faint again.
Okay. Nobody to carry you.
I know if you carry me. If you carry me now.
You sure? Wait till be your weight.
I believe you. No worry.
You believe me?
It
go shock you.
I trust you.
It go shock you.
So, immediately after that, when I collapsed on stage, I dropped one video like that because I already recorded the freestyle before prior to that. Because my mama don't tell me since say she did look me say I did lean and all that kind of stuff. So it was just basically me talking about you facing as a creative, you striving in the industry and having to battle this and that. People they battle
like your internal demons or something like that.
Exactly. So I posted it on Instagram and it actually did very, very well. People they asked me, may I drop them? Me and I just post them based on saying I just another song go. But people they asked me, I drop them. And he came into the room. He just came to my house. Now, bro, I beg me, I just drop
on top.
If not to just drop verse,
we
go post on you because he just connects to the song. I say, no, while and he recorded and I liked his verse. I just
You just put them straight.
Yes,
so now just you and Zayn on top the 5 tracks.
Yeah,
sorry, on top the
Demons.
the
That's the
EP.
only person I
Okay.
featured.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. So among the 5 tracks, maybe say you get, which one you go talk, say, give you stress? Which one of the songs you go talk, say, they very, very easy for you?
Which song was
Which one
easiest
give you
to
stress? Which one don't give you stress?
So the easiest to make was They were like 2 that were very easy to make.
Yeah, let us know now.
Illegal and They Play. They were
They
very
Play.
easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
they were very easy to make.
Okay. So that Demons, it give you problem.
No, not really, but it was not like it was easy to make too, but not as easy as
The other ones.
2.
Okay.
The other 2.
Okay.
You know, I would say the other 2 were me talking about. The other 2, I would say Illegal and They Play basically was just me talking about what I've been comfortably doing.
Yeah.
People don't know that I sabi talk things. You know, I sabi talk things when
You
it
see,
has
you
to
sabi
be.
talk bad things. You understand? Now wait till you talk sabi. They think that you be short, but you're not a short, but you sabi all those bad things.
So yeah, so people don't sabi that part, but I did songwrite well for people on that aspect. You
Okay.
understand? So, and that was one of the parts that I was going to bring out more in this 2025.
Okay.
So that was easy for me to do. But Demons, because I did come from a very, very sensitive part of me, it gets some parts where I did try no show.
They try hide.
Yeah, so that's why.
But you know, can't hide well. This one where be say you been trained some time ago. Where they see say they do chichonyo for inside
Chi
motor.
artists they hide.
You know, comes for the hide well. So I don't understand you, Beams. Share room no day where you and that girl fit enter. We be saying now for
So
inside motor, police catch you. Say you they do collabo. Oh my God, they can collabo. They must be you gonna collabo.
After all the love I have for you,
Of
you
course.
believe that story.
Let us know now because the story there everywhere.
That's not true. I will
So
never
what-
go behind your back to do that.
Look at you. You don't forget. You don't forget. Say you be my son. I be not be son. You be to me.
But you
again.
say I cannot be your son.
No,
Oh
mother
my
and son.
God!
We
You are
cannot,
you are already going behind your.
mother and son cannot do incest.
You're
We cannot
already,
do.
you're already going behind
No,
your.
I don't
this
feel
thing.
born you. But at the
No,
same
you're not
time,
mother and son.
at the same time, no. The people where you be their spec, you already know them. Now they don't come. They don't they send you message already.
Now, wow,
Eh.
guys.
So we need to know now.
no be so.
That thing where they talk say you do. They will say police catch you.
Normally,
They say,
I dey carry.
hello, sir, hello. What's going on here?
Wind down.
Wind down.
We supposed to do shoots.
Eh.
We supposed to do shoots normally now.
Uh-huh.
No be one of my normal vixen be that now. So we supposed to do shoots that night.
Mm-hmm.
She dey inside the car. Normally, I don't know wetin they can't they find or wetin they think say we dey do. We know they do anything. Please, my fans, we were not doing anything. Now video shoot we supposed get after, and you know how police be now.
I don't understand. So now only the 2 of you now come dey inside the motor.
How many people Mola don't come out now? I don't know where Mola go. Mola, I don't know where it go.
You don't go.
I know where you go.
That your best friend where they follow you everywhere. Why you know they there?
No, it was not. He didn't follow us out that night. Not be every shoot they follow us go now. So it was just out. It was just I don't know. Maybe because they look me, they think say I go they do anything, and I'll be pastor.
Which pastor?
I
Official.
know they do.
You. Lamba church.
Yeah, no, I go ask them for us.
Wait, seriously. Now both of them did the back seat. Or somebody did front.
Yes, now
somebody
both
dey
of us where I go day before.
No, I don't know. Maybe you sit down for driver's.
No, I did back seat. Now I did back.
So waiting the girl wear. The girl wear something where
I know. I know if you remember.
Now everything since you
Since I faint, I know if you remember.
Me not say you don't get memory loss since you faint. You know they remember something
I
again.
know
Abi.
if you remember. I know if you. Okay, I think she wore black.
She wore black.
Yeah,
Which
I know
you
she
you
wore
go remember the remaining now. As she don't wear black.
Yeah, I remember black. That's all I remember.
That's all. So now you dey let your fans know say no be say you dey do cheat on your
No
fans.
be say I do cheat. If I dey do cheat, I go talk am now. Na me now. They no fit catch me still on still. If
But eyewitness say the car dey bounce.
bounce, you see
Yes.
car dey bounce for video.
Of course, car dey bounce.
Where?
No be correct motor now use for the video shoot. They said eyewitness say the car dey bounce, so they
Which
say
car?
the place dark.
Eyewitness. Make the eyewitness come out. Make the eyewitness
They
come
say
out.
the car just dey
Oh,
bounce
yeah,
like
nah.
it dey bounce like this.
Oh yeah,
You know,
yeah.
and see people they fear slim guys like you because now slim guys get doings pass. So
No facts. I get doings for streets. I know.
look at this guy.
No, I need I get doings.
Now
For,
for street you get that. So you
No,
don't
I
get
actually-
inside the motor.
I get doings like the girls know, but like
Eh.
the ladies know.
They know.
You know about that.
Okay, they know about that. Look at this guy. I know what they try to do. That girl where you like, you know what fall her hand. Now why they do all this?
No. That one, I know if you deny that one. If they now waiting did they accuse me of? They talk out for street. Say I get. I'm not no be lie.
Okay,
no be lie. No be something I feel deny. Do you understand?
Doing smart. Doing smart. You know easy. All right, now when we said you don't drop this EP for us, these 5 tracks. You mentioned Demon. You mentioned Illegal, right?
Yeah.
Then you mentioned
They play. Then there's what I can do too, and when I'm high.
When you are high, but when you won't stop to the smoke, safe.
You see me?
Yes, you.
Get one meme with the trend for Twitter.
Because I know just understand you. Wait, who they smoke pass between you and Rema? Because all of a sudden now, because Rema to all of his video like this now with it, when we want to stop.
Smoking.
Yes, it's not good for you.
I say there's one meme that is trending on Twitter. I don't know why you will see that Ronaldo when we feel that spark. that spark. Well, I don't know everything. There's a time and season for everything.
So the time and season never come.
I was not smoking.
So you can't start now. What chimney war? You just start like.
So what if
waiting?
What if I only video myself when I'm smoking?
Are you sure?
Have you ever looked at that angle? That okay?
Well, I'm not always with you, Sha, so exactly. I don't know.
What if that's what I?
But your mom never sent you message before. Say
she don't send me. Say but my mom trusts me. See, my mom trusts me. Anything where I tell my mom, see, even if she see picture like this or we see if I tell my mom, I say, "Mom, see now, so you be she trust me." Do you understand?
So as you want to use your second mommy now, I should trust you too.
Trust me now. You know, trust me.
I go try. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we still got superstarbims with us inside the studio. You don't like to know the tracks that with the inside our new EP. When we say in drops, which of them you don't drop the video actually?
They play.
Only they play now.
Only they play for now.
Okay, where you shoot them? How the whole shooting be for they play?
God. Now you don't ask me that where I shoot time question before. And
yes.
For the last
that one another
yes,
video.
Another song. Yeah. But like, and I couldn't even remember the place I shot it the last time of that last video too.
I don't remember.
I couldn't remember when you asked
me. So you don't remember this one?
I don't can't remember this one.
God.
Guy, be like say anytime we are the go shoot, let's say just the kidnap me. I go just appear for the place.
I go talk to more like they need to buy you supplements where go they improve memory loss.
I couldn't see. That day, I don't even know. This stuff is not. I never knew the location.
They close your eyes when they take you to
like
the
say my label they kidnap me, reach that
place. We need to talk to mommy. Make mommy help us run your record label. They don't know where they take you to. You just go there, shoot, come back.
So, but maybe because I'm not trying to even learn. Know that this place, but I know it was on the island, cha. It's one place, the popular place on the island.
On the island.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, won't remember. No worry.
Lagos Island.
Look at this guy. Come on, get out of here. So after this EP now, waiting the next for you actually.
More musical. I can't tell, but more music. I get plenty of music.
So you go drop album anytime soon? Or that single we go still the shop. So ring till one le.
If you see my laptop, say
gay. Superstarbims. All right, so that's all it be right now on top of this interview. We done the chop plenty time into the next segment of the show. But we thank you so much, Superstarbims, for stopping by. For those who want stream, want download, use your new songs on your EP. Where they go fit stream plus download from?
Everywhere on all platforms. Just search Beams on Google. Say Beams Don Pablo. You see the full EP. Enjoy it. We don't blow. We don't blow small. So.
Of course, we don't blow now. You know how many followers we don't get now.
Yes.
Don't be smart.
Now, if you search us on Google and you go see us.
Superstar. All right. And for those who will also follow you, how they go fit follow you back to back?
Superstarbims on all social media platforms. TikTok, Instagram. Twitter.
Okay. All right. So may we not talk too much. Maybe go enjoy the play right now from Superstarbims. And of course, now this song we go take you see Beams come out from inside the studio when you drop your new single plug. In fact, album. Please come back at that time. We need to ask you more questions. No go do something else before you come back. Or before we hear now say they do something inside aeroplane. They play.
Trust me, mom.
You self they play song. My son they play.
Trust me, mom. Trust me, mom.